Alright, so before we get this video started, I want to ask y'all, do y'all like the way I've been filming it? Like, I've been filming it like the way it's been color graded and how it looks. I've been trying to get it to be like more like movie type pleasing instead of the, you know how usually you'll see a YouTube video and it'll be all colorful and bright and all that type of stuff, but you know how like in movies it won't be so colorful, it'll give you like a mood almost. I want y'all to tell me if y'all like the way has been looking the last couple of videos. But other than that, if you get this video started, hit that subscribe button. Let's ride. Oh yeah. I want y'all to see, clear some stuff out of the way. I want y'all to see what finally came. Let me, I think I got a knife out here. Yeah, the eagle eye headlights. And I'm gonna tell you why I like these so much. Don't they remind you of a transformer eye? Decepticon ass nigga. So they didn't come with the little side markers. Luckily I kept these. They weren't broken and they're brand new, so luckily I'll be able to put these on. Alright, so one of the, I think it's the bright light that glowed. Luckily, I had extra HIDs. So, these would be the headlights. And the short ones would be the bright lights. So, I know on this side, I got one of the bright lights that glowed, so I'm gonna swap it out. See if it'll come on. So I ran out of light. I'm having an issue where, what do I do with the key? Crap. Yeah, it's kind of hard working with no light. But nevertheless, I'm having an issue, oh here it is, where the main light doesn't come on. So I'm thinking it's a ballast issue. I'm gonna swap them out and see if that does anything for it. I figured it out. So I forgot from the last time I installed these, when you plug it in to the power from the car, for some reason you have to plug it in backwards. So you know you have the two little prongs on top that slip over the place where it fit. You have to flip it on the wrong side. And it just stopped working. Son of a bitch. I'll be back. Alright, so I ran out of light last night, so we're gonna try this again. I found out last night I also got a shortage in one of my wires, so I'm gonna see if I can fix that.
Ski, 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 ski. Fuck they talking about, nigga. Ski. Yeah, on the skis with a stick when you foldin', nigga. Nah, when you foldin', nigga. 400 in the K for you trollin' niggas. For you trollin' niggas. Gang in the building, need a load of pictures. And all my niggas real, so don't load a filter. Heading for the hills where the slopes will kill you. But my skis certified like we box for real though. Gang shit. Ski, 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 ski. Got the world screaming. Ski, 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 ski. You niggas in trouble to move me down. We plan this shit perfect, no blue shit. Got my gang in the building like group, bitch. Ski ball is the motto, we ruthless. Can't let you join the gang with some certain niggas. You ain't doing it for the money, what's the purpose, nigga? All eyes on me while you lurking, nigga. Guess you waiting for the greater, tell the skis to tip you. Fucking with the gang, that's a tightrope. Wrong thing get said, start a light show. Become great, what he said, now I'm hype, bro. No X gang, but them skis here tonight, ho. Situation got real and your niggas choke. We grab the skis and we slide like we on the slopes. Ice freezing on my neck, I might need.
Alright, so both of them in. Fix the wiring issue. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. This one's a little discolored, which I don't like. So I might have to swap this one for a new one, but
develop the itch like it's fleas. Turn the whole gang to a team. Cross these the trees, roll it up, they can't believe we sprouted in below degrees. Chop it the keys, they let the skis in the building. They riding on the skis on the ceiling. And yo shawty feel her, she left with a ski like he did. Ski fucked up that love he was building. Shit gon' change, put the ski behind your name. We different, that's simple and plain. Go against the grain, you asking for pain. Hands gon' be full while you holding your brain. Bitch can't be tamed, chew through the brick and the chain. She suckin', she fuck with the gang. Stay in your lane, the big body hog everything. You better all running in place, nigga. Ski, 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 ski. Got the world screaming. Ski, 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 ski.
oh yeah. I gotta wash off the front, but for right now, this is good. This is real good. Let me pull it out and clean it up.
What we do, nigga? Ski, 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 ski. Got the world screaming. Ski, 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 ski.